In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove a card in Temu. So open up Temu and then click on the U tab at the bottom. It looks like a person icon. And then over here, click on the settings. It looks like this, it's basically at the top right. Just click on this button right here. Then you'll see settings. Then click on your payment methods. And then over here, you'll see add credit or debit card. Click on that and enter your card details, and once you're done, click on add your card, and once you added it, you will be able to, let me just exit out of here, leave. You'll see your card in the list. It will appear in this page. I didn't add a card yet, but once you added it, you can click on it, and then you'll see the remove button if you wanted to remove it. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.